Welcome to our channel 1 to Step, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can find Uber Eats promo code. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to show you guys. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel 1 to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for coupon follow just like this. Once you search for coupon follow, first option coupon follow, click on it. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the official website of coupon follow. Over here at the top where it says search, you want to click on search and search for Uber Eats. Write Uber Eats and you should see ubereats.com right below. Click on the Uber Eats option and it's going to show you all the promo codes available for Uber Eats. Now from all of this coupon code, choose the one which you like. Let's say I like this one where it says $10 off. I could just click on show coupon code and it's going to show me the coupon code. Now I can just use this code on Uber Eats during my checkout time to get $20 off from any order I do. So that's how you guys can find coupon codes or promo code of Uber Eats. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel 1 to Step. I'll see you guys in my future video. Until then, bye bye. Have a nice day.